I know you guys heard me speak before, and I just want to reiterate this because it's so important for us to protest. It's so important for us to have our voices heard. It's so important for us to do something. We want peaceful protest, but we want protest. We still want you to find a way to be heard, to be seen. If you have to wear a color, or you have to wave a flag, or you have to put one word justice on your status, or whatever you have to do, please remember that it counts. And we have to accumulate our voices so we can be loud, so the world pays attention to us. Our country is extremely rich. There is no consideration for poor people in our country. If we don't stand together and pay attention to this right now, we're going to be the 95%, and it's going to have 5%, and we're going to be the outsiders. So this is an opportunity for us to make our voices heard and demand that our human rights are just, that we have justice and peace and transparency. Thank you. Anyone else want to go? How about one of the younger ones? Let's get one of the kids up here. Come. Come here, Missy. Come.